Okay guys, first step, plug out the current plugins. Okay, make sure that you don't have any currents running. Next step, you're gonna prepare some clean water inside a teapot-shaped bucket. Alright, so I prepare here 20 liter of water. So now we're gonna open the water inlet and start pouring the water in. So now let's check the water level indicator here. I will just pour in around half of the water in the bucket. Okay, a few moments later. I make sure the water is between min and max level.